dogs are always very protective of their owners. They're always sitting by their owners and sleeping by their owners and sensitive to what's going on with their owners. And maybe dogs are connected to a non-physical realm, and they're pulling in all of that non-physical stuff too to protect their owners. And so I pray that we really respect animals. They're not just animals. There are protectors. There are connection to other worlds. They are the keys that unlock our heart space. And once the heart space is open, that enables a lot of non-physical to come in, because the heart space, if it's open, it creates a softness in the physiology, which is very attractive to non-physical, and you get a lot of non-physical support.